sih ni tempat apa ni? What place is this? My goodness. What type of place is this? Ayo, my god. Alamak. It's a pets hotel lah. This is for pets boarding place. Alamak. Tempat hotel kucing. So this is a pets hotel ataupun hotel untuk kucing-kucing. Kalau awak nak pergi holiday, you want to go to holiday, you can put your pets here. And they have special promotion. Sekarang ada promotion
Yes.
Oh, okay. Promotion apa?
It's $28 per night.
Alamak. Okay, $28 per night. Siapa nak pergi holiday bulan 6, school holiday, children's holiday. If you want to go for holiday, you can put your cats here in the hotel. Tempat dia cantik The place is so nice and it's air conditioned. Hotel kau nampak Maharaja Lela This one like a king already stay inside here. One night is $28.
Yeah.
And then you have a promotion. That one is without food. You have to bring your own food.
Yes.
Without food, you bring your own food and they will do for you everything. I show it to you One, see, dia tengah tinggal kat sini di tengah hotel. Okay. This one now is not the school holiday period. I'm now in May, sekarang bulan 5. Diorang tengah kat dalam ni tengah hotel Banyak full house, almost full house. And then yang ini pun and then yang ini ini pun tinggal hotel juga. Okay. And then this one, what happened to this one?
This is sterilization. So we have the client, kalau dia dah habis sunat, we help for taking care of the cat while they're recovering.
Cats after operations, lepas operation diorang pun jagakan. How many days inside here?
Minimum 5 days.
5 days lah, that one.
Sampai dia baik lah.
Sampai dia baik. Also, if you cannot take care yourself at home, or you're busy or what, you can call them and they can put here. Diorang awak taruh kat sini, diorang akan jagakan tip top. Ni first class tau. First class kau tengok Taklah mahal sangat. It's not very expensive. Don't be afraid of. Okay. It's called after sterilization care. If you do not know how to care of your cat, they need a lot of rest. So because otherwise they start jumping around. Dia dah lompat sana lompat. Dah operation diorang masih boleh lompat So you put them here and then they will assist and take care of the operated cat lah
betul.
Kucing-kucing yang dah di operation. Okay.
For at least 5 days.
5 days minimum. And then here they last time I show you that they have cat food products They make their own cat food. It's also halal It's Muslim owned, and they all make their own cat food, so you don't have to was lah. So you can order from that, and that one is now 50%, is it?
The products are on 50%.
The product, the powder, the powder, the perfume. These are the powders. Powder pun wangi tested.
Sila baukan.
Lama aku yang jadi kucing Dia ada lagi kat sini macam-macam. Okay, they got a lot of things. Kadang-kadang kan you tahu kadang-kadang kucing ni diorang PL. You know, some cats are very petty. They don't want to come into this hotel. Diorang tak nak datang ke hotel ni. You have other options, right? You all go for cat sitting.
Yes.
Awak boleh pergi rumah diorang. Kalau awak pergi holiday, awak kasih kunci. Ni bukan kasih rumah orang kunci lompat-lompat. No, they all got license to do this So you go to their house and you feed their cat, you change the litter, mandikan and all this. So they go to your house. It's called
stress-free house cat sitting.
Stress-free house cat sitting. House-free cat sitting. They will go to your house and they will take care of your cats. No dogs cats only Malay, okay, Muslim So go to your house, then you all can go holiday lah. They take care. Last time also I got cats. You know, my cat also got a house sitter. They will come, they will clean and then feed the cats and everything. Less stress. Unless you want your house to be clean, then you can put them here. But if you want to know without promotion, you want to go have emergency or whatsoever, you can always call them. The number is here. They are always there to help you and to assist you in whether houseboarding or pet sitting or cat food or cat accessories, powder or whatever.
Grooming also.
Grooming also got grooming.
Yes, we got grooming too.
Kau tengok, kau tak boleh groom kucing, kau groom laki kau kat sini. You send your husband, they will groom your husband here, okay? Alfred is laughing lah. Thank you. Thank you so much, Alfred.
Thank you
What's the
very
address? 308 Telok Kurau Road. 308.
01-13.
So you remember that is the Bengal cats over there, and the office, and there's another new one. I show it to you later outside kat luar, nanti saya tunjukkan, okay? You have to call them and inquire lah, because that one needs a lot of care.
Ya, betul.
Kau masih kasih makan ubat sekali lah.
We help, yes. Bila
Help.
dia dah pergi doktor kan, doktor kasih the medicine, then kita tolong.
Tapi kalau
kasihkan
kucing dia very nakal, garang-garang,
then we have to do that also, no choice, pasal it's part of the service.
ya, dia kena cala-cala keluar sah. Okay. Nama dia apa? Waklu? Waklu.
Ini nama dia Waklu.
Waklu pakai baju lah.
Waklu.
Oh my
Waklu.
goodness. Oh my god. Waklu. Dia dah lari.
Dia enjoy.
Waklu pula nama, kesian nama kucing ni Waklu. Waklu lah kalau orang putih Waklu.
Oh sorry, can you take it Bunny? The boy. Bunny is here.
Geram aku tahu.
The male thinks that.
Bunny bro.
Dah 5 dah kat dalam.
Yes, because all the the boy.
Geram
Yang besar ni.
Correct. Yeah. So this one.
So okay, thank you so much.
Thank you for
Bye.
coming.
Alamak. Ni dia, okay. See. Designer Cat Boutique Hotel. There we go. Designer Cat Boutique Hotel. Okay. Cat sitting, cat boarding, pet relocate, pet transport. Everything have pet grooming. Also have. You can scan or book now. I don't know. Maybe you can get from here or not. I don't know. You can follow them. And the contact number is also there.